In this video, I will show how to grow bell pepper in the bottle. Here is the cup that I prepare for germination, the bell pepper seed that I bought from the store. I start to germinate the seed into the cup soil. I drop 3-4 seeds in the cup and cover the soil slightly on the seed to avoid the seed float. Water well to use the spray water. I move to the basket. Then what happened after 1 week? After grow up, I remove some out, and then it's time for me to prepare the recycled bottle. On the top is the oil bottle, it's 5 liter, and at the bottom is the acid bottle, 5 liter also. And I start to cut the acid bottle. Continue to cut the acid bottle. It's not difficult to cut it. Now it's ready. I insert the cooking oil bottle into the acid bottle. Now I make the hole the cooking oil bottle to be a pot. Insert like this. Now it's ready. Continue to cut acid bottle and preparing another 5 or 6 acid bottle. Now almost finished. You see, look nice. All the bottle is well done. Insert cooking oil into the acid bottle. I start to mix the soil. This soil have dry cow dung compost, dry hay charcoal, and garden soils. Prepare the pot soil. This I can call bottle growing. It's not the big pot. It's a creative idea from the 5 liter acid bottle and 5 liter cooking oil bottle. The bottle soil is ready prepared. This the bell pepper plant. The old is 2 weeks. I continue to transplant from the cup into the bottle. During growing the bell pepper in the bottle, I add the soil and press the soil firmly around the bell pepper plant. Now, growing process in the bottle is ready. Start to tie up the string with the water bottle. This is the irrigation system. Water dropping from the 5-liter bottle and drop into the pot. I tie up the string with the bottle and make the water dropping. This is the water dropping in the bottle. Make the small hole from the straw, or we can say, or the irrigation system. After 30 days, the bell pepper has the flower. Now it's time to add more fertilizer. Look from the top. Bell pepper have many flowers and very green. I hope this bell pepper have many fruit. I add dark manure into the bottle. Dark manure is the good fertilizer. After watering well, now my bell pepper have many fruit. Start to harvest the bell pepper for cooking. I harvest the green and yellow bell pepper. This yellow is ripe and green is not ripe yet. So I harvest all the fruit for cooking. I don't want to keep anymore. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Consider subscribe if you think my gardening video is useful for you. Thank you. Bye. See you next video. Bye bye.